I've been experimenting with pumpkin soup and this time something magical happened. Just 1 teaspoon of curry powder turned the whole thing into an incredible dish. It's a recipe I couldn't keep to myself, so here it is for you to try. We're working with simple ingredients: garlic, onion, ginger, tomatoes, carrots, and of course the pumpkin. But the real game changer is the curry powder. It's not too spicy, just a little kick that really transforms the flavors in the best way possible. Starting off with frying sliced onion, garlic and ginger in hot oil, then adding a cinnamon stick. Next, stir in 1 teaspoon of curry powder. I was curious how this would turn out, but that slight spicy kick really brings something special to the soup without overpowering it. Now add the quartered tomato, diced carrots, and pumpkin. Pour in 500 ml of water and then add a tablespoon of chicken stock powder. Stir everything together and bring it to a boil. Let the soup simmer until all the vegetables are soft and cooked through. At this point, I added some black pepper and a tablespoon of honey to balance the flavors. The honey adds a subtle sweetness that works perfectly with the spice and the tomato tanginess. After letting it cool a bit, I blended everything into this beautifully thick and creamy soup. I didn't add too much water, so the texture was just right, smooth, rich, and comforting. And that little curry kick, it's the highlight of the whole dish. Honestly, I didn't expect the curry powder to make such a difference, but now I can't imagine this soup without it. You've got to try it, just 1 tweak, and this recipe turned into something truly special. Subscribe,
share and comment. Thanks for watching.